So you lost your key and you only have one key left. Now you need to determine what number key do you have. Do you know what number key you have? These GM VATS keys have a number. There's 1 through 15. Watch this video and you'll learn how to determine what your VATS key number is. Okay, as you can see, I got the VATS key here just on some vice grips. It's easier to work with, if you don't have anybody to hold the key for you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the VATS key. And what you're going to need is a ohm meter. And you want to set it at 20K. And this got this at Harbor Freight. And you can see on the plugs here, you got the common set already. You do it this way. Got the common set, which is the black one, and you want it on the red side here, which says volt ohms. You put that there. And you're going to set this at 20K. See where the ohm sign is at? $20K. You're going to see a 1 in there, and that's okay. So then you're going to take it, and you're going to measure each side, this little metal thing here. You're going to touch each side at the same time. You're going to get a reading. Pull it up so you guys can see it. I don't know if you can. If I put it here, you can see a reading. Okay, we're going to touch both sides. Read it backwards, but I'm reading 1.13, it looks like. It's 1.13. Okay. So on our chart here, we've got a chart, and 1.13 is number 5. You can see here, 1.13 is number 5. So that's the VATS key number. And that's how you determine what key number it is by these steps. Now once you've determined that, what you want to do, and this is the key that you have, unless you have a second key. If you have a second key and you don't want to be without a second key, then go on eBay and buy yourself a VATS key with that number 5, okay? Now again, don't order number 5 when obviously you're going to have to figure out which VATS key number. And there's 1 to, I believe it's 15, okay? And here's where you read it, okay? The number that, the resistance number that you're going to get off of here. Once you determine the resistance number, then that'll determine your VATS key number. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.